location of Kutaisi International Airport. Tokyo Railway passengers are
Okay guys, we've checked into Orbi City Central Block, which is Block A, and I look very exhausted because I had to wake up really early morning to catch the train and couldn't sleep properly. But yeah, that's me. Once you enter on the right, there is the washroom. It's a small one but a very neat and tidy one, and very tastefully done with the diffusers and everything. So yes, that is the cute little washroom, and then on the left hand side you have this wardrobe cum mirror kind of a situation there, and then you have an induction top, electric kettle, some tea coffee options, and also see some, is that milk? I don't know, probably some milk. Then there are some water bottles, and the wash basin is right here. Then you have a cute microwave over here. Oh my god, this is very cute. And this is the, oh, you have some utensils out here like some mugs, glasses, plates and all. So I'm gonna close this. Now this is the bed. It looks like a queen size bed to me, but it looks very comfortable. You can see the TV right here. It's a pretty big TV, and you have two side tables on either side of the bed. And I don't know what this is supposed to be. Okay, so it's a heater, but we don't really feel that cold here compared to Tbilisi and Kakheti. And that's a center table, like a coffee table, and you have two chairs right here which look very comfortable. Now, coming to the best part of this cute little room, it's the view. So the best part is definitely the view, which happens to be somewhat like this. It's so pretty. So pretty, you guys. That is the Black Sea. This is the Courtyard by Marriott Hotel, and these are all part of Orbi City. You have a lot of floors in here, and oh my god, the sea looks absolutely amazing. And that's like the boulevard. And of course we'll be going out in some time to get some food because we are hungry and we haven't had breakfast or lunch, so we are super hungry. Okay, hi guys. So we reached the Airbnb and पहुंच के हम थोड़ा सो गए थे. So now we have finally come out to the Batumi Boulevard, and we are in front of the Alphabetic Tower right now. So this is the area. The tower is huge, and the Black Sea is on that side. Alphabet Tower, huh?
Yeah,
Excited?
very much.
So how was the experience?
It was pretty bougie.
Very bougie.
Next time we'll try to come a bit earlier so that we can see sun.
Earlier, I think in a different month because I
Yeah.
think it's
But
raining.
that time both.
Yeah, so probably because this is a place like where people enjoy during the summers. It's the Las Vegas of the Black Sea. So we didn't have any plans of going to any bougie place, but the moment we reached like the top floor, like the deck, they told us that we have to go to the restaurant, which is called Atmosphere Batumi, by the way. And it was a very, very elite, like a premium bougie dining place. But such similar
And yes,
bougie
I'm wearing
places.
joggers.
That's all right. Such similar bougie places in Mumbai would, like a coffee there would cost 500-600 bucks. Here it was 300 rupees per coffee. So I think like if you go to a Taj or
It will cost a bit more.
like if you go to Intercontinental,
Sure.
which is right opposite Arabian Sea, that will be more expensive than Batumi. Hello.
My friend, let's go for a trip.
No. Guys, if you come here, do check out this souvenirs shop. It's absolutely amazing. You will get many options here. We bought quite a few things from here and we'll be doing a haul, so we'll be sharing everything with you. Hi guys, so Batumi is pretty empty now. Like it's only me, Vivek, and maybe one or two couples more because, like I told you guys, it's more of a summer place. But we like it, even though it's empty. I'm liking it
Yeah.
because we are not too fond of the crowd or the heat. I mean, none of us are, right? So yeah, we are having a very good time. This is obviously like a must-visit place in Batumi, the Ali and Nino statue. So the statues basically drift apart and then again they merge every 10 minutes, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, so Batumi is a very unique, very different place. So our next stop is going to be a cafe because we've not eaten anything properly since the morning. Let's go to that cafe.
Yeah, sure.
So we've taken choco lava cake for dessert and apparently they've freshly prepared it. Excited?
Yes.
Radio.